Hello everybody, my name is Niliam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you aren't, hey, how you doing? Today we're going to be creating something using paints that I've already mixed and used in previous pours, but I just want to go ahead and use them up. I am going to be using all materials that have been already pre-mixed with my medium, which is Floetrol and Water. All of these paints were Liquitex paints, and like I said, I had already mixed these, so they've been sitting out and basically ready to go at this point. With all that being said, if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing to my channel, as I would love to continue on making great videos for you. And definitely feel free to comment in the section below and let me know what you want to see from my upcoming videos. With all that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so today I chose to go with two 10 by 20 panels, and we are going to use a circular kind of composition. I wanted to try to see if I can make a piece that even when you separate them, you can still kind of make out what it's supposed to be. And so I chose to do a circular type, or more so than anything, an oval more than anything, an oval type of figure on the actual canvases. Some of it is on one side and the other side is on the other. And again, I've used all the paints that I had already pre-mixed, that were just basically leftover paints, including that, vibrant lilac that's in the background. And yeah, so that's kind of what I used for this piece. All the materials I used, I will link them in the description box below. And definitely don't forget to leave me a message, comment on there, and let me know what you think of this piece. Should I have gone with different colors? Let me know in the comment section below. All right, and here are our final results. So as you can tell, the wet results definitely dried darker than what I was expecting. But at the end of the day, it actually looks really nice. I really like the detailing of that last final squeeze of gold in the center. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Is this one of those pieces that you could say, I can see that in my living room? All of that being said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And again, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as I would love to continue on making great content for you. All that being said, see you guys next time. Bye.